Welcome to this class, my viewers. Yes, today we are going to be looking at areas in mathematics. So in my previous video, if you have not seen it, go and check it. I defined mathematics. I made a proper introduction of mathematics. So, over there I said mathematics is the study of numbers, quantities, and shape. Then I made so many explanations about that. But now, it will be good for us to look at the areas that we have in mathematics. Okay, what are the different branches that we look into when we are studying mathematics? The first thing, okay, based on O level, like SSCE, like secondary school curriculum. So, mathematics has about 5 or 6 different areas. The first one here that I'll be talking about is numbers and numeration. Numbers and numeration. Secondly, we'll be talking about algebra. Algebra. Thirdly, we'll be talking about calculus. Calculus. Next, we'll be talking about geometry. Geometry. And under this, we also have what we call trigonometry. So, geometry is the wide branch. So, trigonometry is under geometry. So, trigonometry only deals with triangle, but geometry deals with all shapes. Let's go. Number 5, we have statistics. Statistics. And under statistics, we also have what we call probability. Probability. So it is under statistics that we have probability. Next, okay, if you are talking about ordinary mathematics, so all these 5 areas, these are the things that you will deal with. But with the inclusion of further mathematics, so we are going to have mechanics. Mechanics. So this is the branch of mathematics that relates with physics. So those physics topics that you have in mathematics, this is where you have them. So this is the only difference that is there between ordinary mathematics and further mathematics. So that means from number 1 to 5, that is ordinary mathematics. But from number 1 to 6, that is further mathematics. So talking about numbers and numeration, that's where you see topics like indices, logarithm, and sort. You see topics like number bases, number system, modular arithmetic, ratio, proportion, and percentage, business mathematics, AP and GP. You see topics like simple interest and compound interest. You see topics like profit and loss mathematics, all those business maths. And then these things that have to do with numbers, even set theory, some part of set theory is under this. Then talking about algebra, you'll be talking about algebra is like quadratic equation, simultaneous equation. In short, where you'll be asked to find unknown value, x and y, is it 2x plus 5y equal to so. That's algebra. So topics like quadratic equation, simultaneous equation, linear equation. You see topics like binomial theorem, binomial expansion, sequence and series also there. In fact, some part of indices and logarithm are under algebra. So many things. Then calculus. This is very, very interesting. That's where you talk about differentiation and integration. And then evaluation of limits under calculus. Talking about geometry, that's where we talk about shapes generally. Shapes generally. So then statistics, you will hear mean, median, and mode. Mean deviation, standard deviation, variance, and so on. Mechanics, that's where we deal with force. That's the physics aspect of it. You see topics like projectile, motion, statics. You see topics like dynamics. You see topics like friction, and so on. So, as a student, once you know that these are the areas and you know the topics under each, all exams of O level become so easy for you to pass. Thank you. God bless you.